what you're thinking. You're saying, Jenna, your hair looks like passable as a hairdo. Why are you touching it again? Well, you see, I was perusing the beautiful people community, as I usually do. And I found something that piqued my interest. I did this myself, and I'm still very pleased with it. And you know what I said to myself? I could use like 10 times more of it. My experience with extensions is I have a set of clip-ins upstairs that are very long, they're red, and I've used them like 5 times, tops. My only other experience with hair extensions is a long time ago, like maybe 7 years ago, my friend was like, girl, I'll give you hair extensions, I'm gonna glue them into your head. And I was like, sounds good. She glued a bunch of pieces of hair into my head. It felt wrong, it looked wrong, and I was like, you know, can I swim and stuff in them and like shower? And she's like, yeah, you do whatever you want. They last like 6 to 8 weeks. I'm like, sick. So later, like that weekend, I went to the beach and I went swimming in the ocean, and then all of a sudden I was surrounded by my hair extensions. So that's my only other experience with any kind of hair extensions. I know I'm like super far behind because hair extensions are like a huge thing. A lot of people wear them, a lot of people love them, and I feel like I'm missing out on the fun. So I looked up like glue in hair extensions, but there's something I didn't even know about, which is tape in extensions. So you don't clip them, you don't glue them, you don't sew them, you don't bond them, you just tape them, which sounds like the level of commitment I would like to make. It's almost 2018. I want to ring in the new year looking like a snack. I want to join the Tana Mojo Elite Hair Extension Club where you can just see shit all over your head. I want to be part of the fun, okay? I watched one tutorial on how to do it per usual. This is probably the most effort I've ever put into my own hair, aside from clipping in hair extensions a couple of times and like spending 2 hours doing it. Obviously, they don't sell hair extensions in this color. So what I did was I bought a bunch of beautiful blonde hair extensions and we're gonna dye them. Or unless you think I should just tape them in blonde. Should I really just go full blown, I'm lost at the supermarket, can you please help me? These were not cheap, so I don't really wanna like totally fuck up. Also, I could not find the color that I actually dyed my hair with. They didn't have it. So we're already off to a really mediocre start. So I got the closest one that I could find. It's like a navy blue. And you know what? If it doesn't really match the rest of my hair, fine. Look at my roots. It doesn't matter.
How many of those things did you get?
8. Duh. You sort of like sandwich them in your hair, is what someone said in a YouTube video. What? I want to.
This since the last time you used it?
No, and how embarrassing! Don't blow up my spot! So this is probably gonna be quite the process, so I hope that you brought a snack and have nothing to do today, because this is what I'm doing. I also watched one YouTube video about how to dye these, and it was called like how to dye your hair the lazy way, so just know that's where I'm getting my instructions. I didn't even watch it. I skipped forward to the part where
You didn't even watch the whole video about how to be lazy? There's 8 in there.
I got 8 bundles of hair, dog.
Wait, so you're doing 64 strips?
I don't know. Stop embarrassing me in front of the beautiful people community. Stop it. I'm gonna get my hair out of the way so I don't dye it with this exquisite scrunchy bitch. There's no rules, right? You just paint it, sort of. I'll just use my tried and true method, which is this. Oh, it's coming out beautiful, all fucking ready. Look at that even, beautiful color deposit. I wonder whose hair this was. Is it person hair? All right, so I'm just gonna be doing this for like 10 hours. It is so much easier to dye hair that's not on your head. It's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna be a Christmas snack and you're gonna be jealous as hell. Do you think I should have gone to beauty school?
No. I have a feeling beauty school would have stifled your spirit.
Beauty school would have stifled my spirit.
Or they would have kicked you out.
Thank you, hairdresser assistant.
I'd like a new title.
What do you want your title to be?
Hair Jordan.
There's probably a barber somewhere that has that name.
If there isn't, there needs to be.
What's gonna be funny is when we're just hanging out and a chunk of my hair just comes out. Finally, someone can like pull a track of my hair that's fallen out and be like, whose is this? And I can sit there and act like it's not mine. I'm probably like a little more than halfway done. I got a lot of hair because I figured like if I get to a point where I don't want to put any more in, I'd rather have too many than have just like 6 long ass pieces of hair. Oh no, I don't think you want to come up here. Peachy peach peach, careful, your nose is gonna be blue.
Not for you, okay? You gotta stay blonde.
Here's the last one. It's kind of relaxing. Like, maybe I'll just dye hair extensions and then give them to people. Like, Merry Christmas, I got you some hair, bitch. I say we let these sit for a little while. I don't know why I just made that so much worse. Fuck. And then we're gonna rinse them out. And then I'm gonna stick them in my head. Fuck it, let's do it. So Julian set me up with some nice bowls of shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna like leave it on forever. It's stupid, it's fucking fake hair. See, when I'm done rinsing them and shampooing them all, like they're little people, I'm gonna put them where they belong, which is on this dirty towel on the dirty floor. Welcome to my salon! This is actually really fun.
It is fun, right?
Yeah. I know you just can't wait to run your fingers through my hair and just feel a bunch of tape. There's some splotchiness in here, but it's consistent with the work that's on my head. We finished washing and conditioning all of the hair extensions, so we're gonna let them dry for a little bit. I'm gonna Google whether or not I'm supposed to blow dry them or not, and then when they're dry, I'm gonna stick them in my head. It's time. The hair is dry. I did lightly blow dry it, and I'm kind of an idiot because I did look up on YouTube that you can actually dye like to the tape, but this was gonna come out butt in one way or another at some point. So mine's like an inch of butt. Let's hope it works anyway. For not having the same hair dye, the color came out like fucking amazing. I'm gonna be using this highly scientific picture of where to put my hair extensions.
Oh my god.
Legitimately don't know how to part my hair down here. I'm already struggling. That's not a good part. Dear God, it's me, Jenna. Please send your help in me parting my hair. I do not know how to do it good. Oh my God, what have I done? This reminds me of when I was a little kid and my babysitter used to be like, do you want some volume in your hair? And I go, yeah. And she'd make me flip my head upside down and she would brush it and it would hurt so bad. Why are you
around me are familiar?
Why are you laughing? Is it my scrunchie? Take off the tape. You pick up a little piece, put it under first, and then you put it over. Oh, this is so fucking hard. Are you kidding me? Yo, this is quite possibly the hardest thing I've ever done. Why do I have so much hair? I have to do this a million times. Yeah. Don't judge me. Yeah. All right, it needs to be lined up or else I'll have sticky glue sticking all over. Oh God, oh God. Can't see shit. All right, then I press it together. Oh, bitch, look at that.
That looks actually really solid. You did your first one.
Okay, the blonde root is like an absolute disaster. But look at this. Okay, I'm done. I just made a rat tail. If I was an alien and I came to this planet, I feel like one of the things I would find absolutely hysterical is that we like to wear each other's hair. Oh, hell yeah, hair sandwich, boy. Ooh, they definitely look like I did them myself.
Oh my God, Jenna, don't move. There's a spider.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Julian! I'm in the middle of the hardest part. You're such a fucking asshole. In videos, they like glaze over this part. They're like, okay, just part your hair. Bitch, this is the hardest shit I've ever done.
We could just color the blonde parts of the extensions with a blue marker.
Okay. Like, I know that I'm not particularly gifted and like a little half-assy, but like, that's half-assy. Once these are in, how do you like brush your hair? Is that something I should have figured out beforehand? I can't see the right side of my head at all. Oh my God, I didn't line those up at all. They're so staggered. Fuck this chart. Fuck this chart. It has 2 here and then a half one and a half one. No!
What the fuck? Who has time for that?
A hairdresser? Is there gonna be like glue residue on my hair?
No, probably just a little blood.
You're not helpful. Most of these are so outrageously uneven. Like the tape is like this. I am like so surprised how flat they lay though.
They must be tired. She was her roommate.
And they were roommates. Can you imagine if I like hit my head or something and I had to go to the doctor and he went to go look at my head and he was like, bitch, I can't move any of your hair. It's taped together.
That's crazy.
That looks beautiful. Just don't look at this part. I feel amazing already. Look at that. Look at this.
Jenna.
What?
Look at the viewfinder.
Stop! This is fucking great. The color came out so good.
The color came out like, I don't think it could have come out better.
Can I have that back, please? Don't get it all grubby with your grubby fingers.
My fingers are grubby because I use them to grub.
Alright, we only have like 70 more.
Oh,
that is so fucking... You want to do it?
yeah, let me do it.
You really?
Yeah.
Look how pretty. All they can see is just my tie-dye roots. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, you just have to part for me and then I'll plop it on there. Plopping, plopping,
No.
plop.
See, the word I don't want you to use when you're going to put a hair extension in my hair is plop. Are you scared? Please don't glue my hair all together. Now pull it down. Are you sandwiched? Is it lined up? Ow. You just squeeze it. You don't gotta press my whole head together. Oh, that came out pretty good, Julie.
Thanks, Star.
We have 7 like sandwiches left, and I'm just trying to figure out, like, I obviously don't want to go too high. Can you see any right now? I can feel them, but can you see them?
No, I can't say anything.
Like, I know a lot of people stick them like up here, but I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
I'll just tease this part or something if I want some volume.
Ooh, who you teasing?
Me, bitch. Y'all bitches can't even spell Prague. This is fucking beautiful. You see any of the tracks?
I don't think I can see. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I don't think I can see.
Blonde strips of tape.
No, I don't see it.
Alright, let me see what happens when I pull my hair up. Oh, it feels weird. I don't like it. Can you see it?
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Yeah.
No! Okay, I can wear a ponytail like this, right? You can't see them.
Yeah, I can see one.
Wait, no! This is the last one.
Oh, shit.
These are the only, like, close ones to my face. These two. Don't worry, I'll just pick this one off my dusty-ass floor. It was actually really fun. Like, it was, like, really relaxing to, like, paint all the extensions. Parting my hair was a little frustrating, but overall, it's been, like, kind of a nice experience. I think they came out pretty amazing! What?
Give us a twirl. Oh.
What?
We're peeking a little bit.
No! No! What you do is you just, like, tease a little part of this so it sits over that. No Sharpie, Julian. But this is, like, dangerous. This is so fun and, like, long and amazing. And I didn't have to sit at a hairdresser for 8 hours. I just did it at my house for 8 hours. Does it look pretty in the back?
Yeah, it looks really cute.
Oh, girl, who you fighting? I love how it came out.
You look like a mermaid.
Oh, thank you. I'm a little nervous about not being able to shampoo or like touch my scalp or really brush my head or like put my hair up or in many different styles. But overall, I'm very excited and I will definitely keep you updated as to how I end up liking these. I get to go to sleep and not have to like wake up and clip them in or like when I'm ready to go to bed, like take them out.
They in there.
They're in there. They're fucking in there.
Fucking in there.
I think the color came out like shockingly perfect.
Like indistinguishable.
It's really insane. I was not expecting that. That's insane. It is so beautiful. It's time to go to the library now, bitch. These are due back Thursday.
Shit.
I love it. Julie, do you love it?
I'm kind of really into it. I'm like at least 3 feet away from you.
Don't pull it out. All right, take bets. When's the first time I'm gonna lose one?
When Kermit climbs on top of you while you're asleep. That's accurate. That's gonna happen.
Kermit's gonna be the one that rips one out of my head.
He's gonna rip because he scratches at your face and head while you're sleeping to wake you up.
I hope that you guys like this. This was just an experiment and I think it turned out really well. It was hard. I tried my best. It was my first time. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Wednesday/Thursday. And actually, I hope you guys are okay with this because it's been a long time. But usually I post extras the week of Christmas and New Year's, but like I don't really have any extras this year because all of the good things that happened, we just put them in the video. So I'm not going to be uploading, as far as I know, next week and the week after. So please don't be mad at me. Please don't forget that I exist in 2018. I need to have a holiday and I will probably see you January 10th. If for some reason I feel like in there posting, I might, but probably
Congrats,
not.
a well-deserved break off.
Thank you. I've never done it. I've never on this channel taken a Wednesday where I haven't posted. So I really just want to have a holiday. So, and I'm gonna be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, bitch! I love you. Have a great New Year. Have a great Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever. I'll see you guys next year with my fucking fabulous hair, whatever's left of it by then. All right, bye.
Bye, y'all.
Knock it off!